Every day I upload free house designs on my subscribers demand. So the beautiful container house you are watching on the screen, in this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. There is a 20 feet container. The total area I have taken is width is 10 feet in meter 3.04 meter and the length is 20 feet in meter 6.09 meter. In the front we have two steps here. After that we have a sliding door here. We'll go inside. So we have kitchen cum living area. The size of the living cum kitchen area is 9 feet 4 inches into 7 feet 2 inches in meter 2.84 into 2.18 meter. You can see here the sofa arrangement and also a kitchen counter here with burner, sink and also refrigerator arrangement. We have two large size window for ventilation of this area. After that we will go inside. So we have common use washroom plus water closet here. The total area I have taken is 6 feet into 3 feet 6 inches in meter 1.82 into 1.06 meter. You can see here the water closet and also a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. After that we will go inside. So we have a room here. The size of the room is 9 feet 4 inches into 8 feet in meter 2.84 into 2.43 meter. You can see here the bed arrangement and a drawer and two large size window for ventilation of this room. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.